Hey everybody, this is Dustin, and I just wanted to take a quick minute to make this video to tell you about an upcoming workshop we have this weekend on Saturday, November the 17th at my office called the Creative Deal Structuring Workshop. It takes place from 9 a.m. to about 6 p.m. Now, whether you know it or not, a lot of people come up to me and Don DeRosa and bring us leads for deals they just can't seem to put together. This is especially true of wholesalers. As you know, wholesalers offer all cash and offer to close quickly. Well, many times an all cash offer just won't work for the seller. Maybe they don't want to take a low ball cash offer because their house is nice. Maybe they have a mortgage and your low cash offer simply won't even come close to paying off their mortgage. Maybe they're behind on payments. Maybe they're upside down. There's a lot of reasons when cash offers just won't work. So what do? Well, chances are you probably throw those leads in the trash. Well, if you'd like to learn how to turn those trash leads into cash deals, please join us at this upcoming Creative Deal Structuring Workshop. We've had this class many times in the past, but we're changing it up this time. We're calling it All Deals All Day. And eventually we're going to turn this class into a 2-day event. But right now it's going to be 1 day, all deals, all day. So if you'd like to learn how to make multiple offers on properties instead of just all cash, and hopefully get more offers accepted, please join us at this event. What we're going to do is take about 30 leads and have you pre-screen them. You're going to prioritize those leads. And the leads that you prioritize that you think are the hottest, we're going to spend the day analyzing those deals in depth and having you come up with multiple offers on each deal. Now, one of those offers may be all cash, but the other offers you make will be creative offers. Maybe a little bit of cash now, some later. Maybe no cash down and take over their mortgage payments. There's all kinds of different creative offers you can make. So if you're interested in learning how to become a transaction engineer, please join us this weekend, Saturday, November the 17th from 9 to 6 at my office in Buford. The address is 1960 Skylar Hill Drive, Suite D. The class is for about 35 people. We're almost full. We've got a few seats left. So if you're interested, click the link below and sign up right now. Because if you wait any longer, it's going to be sold out. We're almost at capacity as it is. So again, if you want to learn how to become a creative transaction engineer and learn how to put deals together so that you don't have to keep throwing them in the trash, please join us this weekend. Thank you.